I'm Tom. I'm the director of the Rochester Regional Photonics Cluster. Our brand is New York Photonics. I'm an economic development person. I have done startup companies. I've done fundraising for startup companies. I'm part owner of a startup company that'll do about 24 million. I'm trying to connect people like you with people like this, and the rest of my time is spent bragging about New York Photonics everywhere that I can. We're 120 optics, photonics, and imaging companies, about 17,000 employees, over $3 billion a year annual sales. A lot of the PhDs in the country in optics were educated here in Rochester. 1 in 14 households in this region is supported by optics, photonics, and imaging.
My part of NextCore is what's called the Manufacturing Extension Partnership. And so MEP is another acronym for you that probably means nothing now, but should become part of your vocabulary no matter where you are or choose to do work within the US. And my mission, along with 50 other centers in each state, the other 10 centers in New York, is to help small to mid-sized manufacturing grow jobs and grow revenue. We will happily work with any of your supply chain that you decide to develop in this region. So we can help you directly, potentially as a client, but then also helping those supply chain partners better your product and move forward. So one key thing as we talk about growing companies is that entrepreneurial startup spirit has to be in any company, whether you're a brand new startup less than 5 years or if you've been in business 100 years.
I've been helping to build or building companies in this area for 24 years now. Most people would rarely think of lasers in upstate New York. The answer that I would come with that is that you can really do most of these businesses any place, but Rochester's a great place to do it in. In 2006, when I made the decision to relocate from Westfield, Mass, everybody thinks Boston. Oh, we need to be there near Mecca. We want to be in Silicon Valley. We want to be near some hub. The answer to that is when you're starting a company, you need good resource at an affordable level. There's a very high output of a very strong workforce that happens in the area. And once they get here, they want to stay here. The quality of life is great. Living here is easy. School systems are outstanding.
We built into our team that level of integrity that made sure every team member wanted to help make sure our customers were successful. Our mission statement at Optimax is very simply enabling customer success and employee prosperity. Today at Optimax, we're over 300 employees, but we're very much all about team member empowerment. From early on, we decided we're going to close the books every month and figure out if we made profit or not the last month. And within the first week of the new month, we take 25% of the profit and we give it out to our workforce. Last month, we paid out over $200,000. What's typical is our employees are getting about a $1,000 bonus check each month. 25–30% of our business is small volume manufacturing. And when I say small, I'm talking quantity 1 to 10.
I think one advice that I always give people who are looking at young companies is focus. Really understand what you're good at and be very good at the vital few. 90% of what we do, all our salespeople, all our engineering are focused on life science. Our customers who work in DNA sequencing, life science imaging, who used to buy components and have all of these engineers and design problems and test problems themselves. How do we do that and now start taking all these great components and putting them into systems? These are the type of solutions that we work on.